Now, could you potentially sell your shares to another investor? Maybe. There may be abilities to do that, but no guarantee, right? And then you have to decide, what is the share worth when it's in the middle of a deal and is supposed to sell in this time for this price? What's it worth right now? Probably not full price. So when somebody invests in a syndication for any of these assets, apartment building, storage facility, whatever, when you put your money in a syndication, you're signing a private placement memorandum that says, by the way, your money is not liquid. You get the money back when you get it back, right? And not before you want it. So yes, that's a catch, right? So why does people invest in syndications? On average, twice the return of the stock market. But on the downside, the stock market, you sell your stock anytime you want your money back. In syndication, you can't. You get your money back when the project is done, whenever that is, right? And they can give you a projection. We expect it to be done in 3 to 5 years, but it may not be, right? So that's the thing. Now, could you potentially sell your shares to another investor? Maybe. There may be abilities to do that, but no guarantee, right? And then you have to decide, what is the share worth when it's in the middle of a deal and is supposed to sell in this time for this price? What's it worth right now? Probably not full price. Could you sell it to an outside investor? Maybe. You would have to get the sponsor to agree. Remember, raising money, there's rules, right? Is the outside investor an accredited investor? What exemption was used to raise the money? It would have to be facilitated by the sponsor, who's not promised that he would do that. So we've had situations where we've had people that want their money out, and we can potentially buy them out. Maybe the sponsor has a lot of money and the sponsor actually wants to buy the shares back themselves. But I just said that's normal. Every deal is different. Some deals have fixed 10% returns. Some deals have 20% returns. Some deals have 15%. They're all different, right? What if I wanted to structure my deal where I know it's going to take me 2 years to build a 16 facility and to fill it? So there ain't going to be no money you get back at all in the next 2 years. Okay, so your cash flow for the next 2 years, just to set your expectation, is zero. Okay, now after 2 years, we're going to start giving you some pretty good cash. We're not going to get you double your money, right, by year 5, but I will give you all your money back in year 5, and I'll keep paying you for the next 20 years. How attractive is that investment? That's a very attractive investment, right, for you as an investor and for me as a sponsor, because now it's not costing me as much money in the short term, but it's a very attractive investment to you in the long term.
Come meet us live and become a real estate investor with us. Make money, grow, and help the community as well. So this is what I love to do every day as a real estate investor. I love to connect with you throughout our social media, and I love to make money with you as well.